Hello everyone and welcome to another short review, and all of us, I wish you all the best for 2022. I hope you had a good New Year's Eve, and now it's another probably dynamic year like all the other 2 years before and the years before and the years before. Doesn't really matter, I'm not allowed to speak about that on YouTube anymore, as you might have noticed that. That's why we take a look at another cool thing for my cameras, which I got recently asked about a few times. Hey Daniel, what are these little clips around your camera? Today we figured that out together, so enjoy this short review. The little clips I was talking about are these ones here. Make sure if you see something red under this rope here, you change them. However, they are on my camera at least for about 2.5 to 3 years and I don't see anything. So if it's used a lot, make sure you change them. If you need an extra package, it's about $6, which isn't too expensive to be honest, and you get about 4 or 6 of them at the same time. I heard that they are able to carry up to 80 kilograms, which is really cool. The link is of course listed in the video description. As you can see, I have them at all my cameras. I'm filming at the moment with the Canon EOS R5 and the RF14 to 35mm. So it's around my Canon EOS R, which I'm selling at the moment, because I got the new Canon EOS R6, and again they're at this camera, and I just got this camera yesterday evening and they're already around this camera because I think I bought a rope for my neck, and I think I got 4 of them already. So what are these for? So here is a hand strap, and what I don't like if I want to change between a hand strap and strap for my neck, that it takes a lot of time. And with these little clips, it has become so much easier. All you need to do is that. If you want to get rid of that, you can do that even with one hand. Really cool. So that's about 3 years old already. It's a little bit used, however the build quality is so great that it still works like on the first day. If I would like to use a strap for my neck, really easy, just clip it in. In less than 10 seconds, you're ready to go. And that is one of the coolest things I've ever used on my camera, and that's as simple as that and how it's working. The link is of course listed in the video description. I bought this tiny one here for my neck. There's a bigger one available for bigger cameras, however I don't see the use of the bigger one. For me it was more comfortable to take the smaller version of it. It works super nice for the city if you want to use both hands and you just want to carry your camera around. And if there's someone who wants to steal your camera and it's around your neck or even around your hand, it's probably not that easy because they should hold up to 80 kilograms. So not easy to steal them, and they are available in different colors. So this one here is also available in kind of leather and a silver optic, while this one here is also available in black. If you have any questions on that, make sure to leave a comment below. I will put all of these into the video description below, also for all the users of the United States and the United Kingdom. If you would like to support my channel, make sure to follow me on Instagram and Telegram. All the best for 2022. See you very soon with some other great tutorials or reviews about all this camera equipment. Bye bye!